flyers, researchers. In today's short video, I'm going to show you how to calibrate your Quadair drone. So the first thing you're going to do is turn the drone on. Second thing, turn on your remote. Then you're going to link your drone to the remote, up, down on your left toggle. Alright, so you saw the light on the drone stop. Now I'm going to go down on both toggles and to the right. That rapid succession of flashes just calibrated this drone to a level surface. And this is going to help you fly without crabbing in any direction. Pitch, your yaw. So, alright. I hope this was helpful, and you have a great day. Smash that like button. Please share and subscribe if you found this useful. Have a great day.